Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode for app icons on your iPhone iOS 18. And it's actually really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you want to do, of course, is you want to go ahead and tap and hold a blank area of your home screen. And the icons will basically begin to jiggle, and then the edit option will basically appear. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap edit in the upper left hand corner, and the menu will expand. Okay, then you just want to go ahead and tap here on customize, and this will bring up a menu at the bottom with a different icon preferences. Okay, and right here, if you want dark icons, you can just go ahead and tap on a dark. You can do that. If you want light, you can do that, but in our case, we're just going to choose a dark. And then what you will see right here, guys, it will be able to, of course, use tinted as well to customize the dark monochromatic icons. Okay, which also gives you dark icons. So the other one just gives you a dark mode. This one will also give you a dark icons. Will basically replace the icons foreground color with a single tinted shade. And you can, of course, slide drag the color slider to choose the tint color, and the brightness slider to make the tint brighter or darker. And the third option, of course, is automatic, which makes your icons dark at night while keeping them light in the daytime. And if you want to save your changes, what you need to do is just tap anywhere else in the home screen to save your changes. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.